Imagine connecting your affiliate tracking software with AI. That's exactly what we've built with ClickFlare. We have created an MCP tool which you can connect to platforms like OpenAI. You can use it to get reports on your top performing campaigns or ask for tips how to improve your landers and offer flow. In this video, I'll show you how to connect ClickFlare to OpenAI and some real-life use cases on how to use it. We're going to ask it to show me my top 3 campaigns for the last 7 days, or what can I do to improve my campaign performance. And within seconds, we'll get clear answers based on real campaign data. Let's jump straight right in and see how it works. So here we are at ClickFlare dashboard, and first things first, we need to create a platform OpenAI account or any other platform that supports MCP integration. So let's jump to our platform OpenAI and go to chat right here. We're going to create a new one and connect the MCP server. So we have a full documentation on how to integrate this one. And if you go to help.clickflare.io, you will get access to our knowledge base, search for MCP, and you'll find this step-by-step instruction on how to set it up. So basically this tells you to go to ChatGPT to create your account and create a new chat prompt. So this is the MCP configuration tutorial. Copy this link, paste it under URL here and label this ClickFlare MCP. Now we need to have an API key in order to access these tools. So we're gonna go back to our ClickFlare account, settings, API keys, and let's generate a new one. Copy this one and paste it here. Hit connect, and on the approval right here, you need to select never require approval for any tool call. Select that one, click add, and we're good to go. The other thing that we need is the developer message. Basically is the prompt that we're going to give to this MCP. Let's go back to the knowledge base, scroll down, and you'll find a prompt which you can copy and paste it. So let me grab this one. And paste it, and that's it, you're good to go. So let's try out and test some prompts with this tool. Let's scroll down and let's take this one for example. What are my most profitable campaigns in the last 7 days? We will change this a bit and we will do what are my 3 top profitable campaigns in the last 7 days. Hit enter, and ClickFlare will start using its tools in order to analyze all the information that you have on your account and spit out the top profitable campaigns for the last 7 days. Now, once ClickFlare finishes, it will show you the top 3 profitable campaigns in this case. So you have it, ClickFlare Facebook campaign number 1 with a profit of $49, the second campaign with a profit of $33, and the last one with a profit of $15. Also, it gives you some recommendations. So as you can see here, it says increase budget on campaign 1 and 2, duplicate while preserving best performing lander offer path. So based on the data that it's reading, it also helps you with some recommendations or quick tips on how to improve and scale furthermore. So this is really helpful when you're doing affiliate marketing. You get AI to help you with your campaign optimization, so you can increase your profits and your revenue. Okay, let's try another prompt. For example, let's say how to improve or what to improve for campaign, let's say this one. What to improve for campaign ClickFlare Facebook campaign 2 in order to increase profit. Okay, so ClickFlare once again will use the right tools and will start reasoning and will give out some information on how to actually improve the campaign. So here we have it, a full breakdown on how to improve the campaign number 2 in order to increase my profits. This is really good actually. Like the first step, it says increase revenue per visit. So, and it tells me to add a lender test, basically track click-through rate and split different lenders and offers. Also, the second bullet point is to rotate multiple offers, add 2 to 3 relevant offers, and use lender click-to-action rotation. Also, it says to reduce cost per visit, define a target with earn per visit around $4.7 and a 40% margin goal, and max cost per visit to keep it at 2.4. Also, another cool thing is that it tells me to pull a breakdown by hour of the day and pause hours so you can increase ROI. So basically it's telling you check the hour of the day, which time the campaign is performing the worst, you pause that campaign. The next one, geo device filters. If this is multi-geo or multi-device, exclude weak ones via conditional paths. This is a really solid point because you can go by geo or device type on ClickFlare and see which are the weak ones. And when you create the campaign or when you edit the campaign, you can add conditional paths so the traffic goes only to the best performing geos or device type. Feed better signals to Facebook. Basically what it's saying is that every conversion that you have on ClickFlare, you need to send it to your meta pixel, and for that conversion you need to pass as much value as you can. So you can pass the payout of that conversion to Facebook pixel, you can send their zip code, their location, etc, etc. And actually it gives concrete ClickFlare steps to follow, and it says edit the campaign flow, add 2 lenders and 2-3 offers in order to split testing and see what is working, and set the payout to auto, basically so the payout is dynamic and posted from the affiliate network. And that's really cool if you think about it, because if you're a beginner at affiliate marketing, you have AI on your tracking platform, you have AI on ClickFlare that can actually give you insights and help you improve your campaigns further, help you increase your profits. Now let's check another prompt. Let's say that you want to create campaigns with this MCP tool, and that's really straightforward. All you need to do is you give it a campaign as a reference, for example, and you set different offers. So let's say I want to create a campaign with 2 different offers, and I'll give the prompt, create a campaign with 2 different offers named offer 1, offer 2 with the offer URLs respectively. Let's say the first one is google.com, the other one is bing.com. Take this campaign ID as a reference. So let's just jump to ClickFlare and grab a random campaign ID. Okay, I'll take this one and copy the campaign ID here, paste it, and send. So ClickFlare just created the campaign with the respective offers, and let's see campaign ID and campaign name. Okay, so let's just see if that's created on the dashboard. Copy this one and let's refresh the page and search with the campaign ID. And there you have it, campaign offer 1 versus offer 2. Let's try the URL, and it's redirecting us to Google, so it's working perfectly. And let's check the destination also. You see we have the 2 offers created, google.com and bing.com. So basically, you just created a campaign with typing a few letters on your keyboards. And that's how the ClickFlare MCP with OpenAI works in real time. You can pull campaign reports, spot trends, and get suggestions. This isn't just about automation, it's about making faster, smarter decisions based on your actual data with the help of AI. If you want to start using the MCP integration, check the description for the setup guide and try it out yourself. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe.